In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI text to video in Filmora. If you've ever wished you could turn a simple idea into a video without filming or complex editing, this feature is for you. We'll move calmly through each action so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Filmora on your computer. Give it a moment to load its workspace so all the media libraries and panels are ready. Once it's open, create a new project. This gives you a clean timeline and a blank canvas, which keeps everything organized as you bring in automatically generated content. Now look for the stock media section in Filmora's interface. Depending on your layout, you'll see it along the top or left panel. Click on Stock Media to enter Filmora's built-in library area. This is where Filmora connects you with a wide range of media and, importantly, the AI tools that can create content from your ideas. Inside Stock Media, click on iMedia. This is the dedicated space for Filmora's artificial intelligence features. You'll notice options designed to help you generate content more quickly than traditional editing. From here, choose text to video. This tool is designed to interpret your words and produce a draft video that matches your description. You'll see a prompt box where you can type a brief description of the video you want. Keep it clear and concise. Aim for one focused idea and include the elements that matter most, such as subject, mood, style, or setting. For example, you might write a short upbeat video of a coastal sunrise with energetic transitions and motivating captions. Short, specific prompts tend to work better than long, complicated ones. Avoid adding any private or sensitive information. Stick to descriptive language about visuals and tone. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. Filmora will analyze your description and automatically assemble a draft video based on the cues you provided. This may include suitable visuals, pacing, and overall vibe that match your text. Give it a moment to process. If the first result isn't quite right, try refining your wording and generating again with clearer details or a slightly different tone. That's all there is to it. By opening Filmora, creating a new project, navigating to stock media, selecting AI media, choosing text to video, and entering a thoughtful prompt before you click Generate, you can turn ideas into videos with remarkable speed. Try a few variations to discover what style fits your vision best, and enjoy the creative head start this tool provides.